Kandukondan Tamil movie summary. Indian peacekeeping force personnel Major Bala, while fighting in the jungles of Watan, Sri Lanka, loses his right leg in an explosion triggered by Tamil militants. Elsewhere, Manohar, a film director, is greeted at a filming location by his parents, who want him to marry Sweta, so that he will inherit her family's company. Sisters Soumya and Meenakshi are part of a close-knit family living in a Chettiar mansion in Karaikudi, Tamil Nadu, with their mother Padma, maternal grandfather Chandrasekhar, servant Chinnatha and younger sister Kamla. Soumya is a school principal while Meenakshi is passionate about classic Tamil poetry, music and dance. Sivagnanam, a friend of Bala, lives with his mother. His mother is having breathing issues, which is fixed as soon as he says the word marriage. After his mother wants to see a marriage, Sivagnanam shows to cats, Raj and Vijay, getting married much to her dismay. Bala, who now runs a floral business, has become a depressed and alcohol-dependent man since losing his leg, but he quits drinking after an argument with Meenakshi, with whom he falls in love and supports her family when in need. At her behest, he stops drinking in exchange for her to learn music, which she does. Meenakshi, who considers Bala as a friend, falls in love with Shrikant, a charming businessman who shares Meenakshi's interests. Manohar visits Meenakshi's house for a film shoot where Soumya and Manohar fall in love with each other. On his deathbed, Chandrasekhar tries to say something about his will, but no one understands him. After his death, their lawyer breaks open the box and finds he has bequeathed all of his property to his younger son Swaminathan, at the time when his elder daughter Padma had eloped and married without his knowledge, but was unable to change the will as he was paralyzed and unable to speak a few years down the lane when his daughter assisted him. Vidya and Soumya silently submit themselves to Swaminathan and his wife, Lalita's demands, but Meenakshi is unable to accept the change in lifestyle. Soumya and her family move to Chennai when they can no longer stand Lalita's arrogant behavior upon inheriting the mansion. Upon arriving in Chennai, the family struggles and they work as cooks at a local restaurant. While eating a Vajrapoo vada, banana flour vada, Bala and Sivagnanam recognize its taste and immediately go to the kitchen. They are surprised to see such a rich family working tirelessly in the restaurant. After attending several interviews, Soumya gets a job as a telephone operator at a software company. She is later promoted to a junior programmer due to her qualifications, while Meenakshi becomes a playback singer with Bala's help, but keeps searching for Shrikant, whom she has lost contact with. After Soumya's promotion, she gets a home loan approved and they are able to buy their own apartment. Meanwhile, Swaminathan dies of electrocution, and in his will the Chettinad house is left to Padma and her family. Ultimately, they decide against taking the home away from Lalita as was done to them, especially as they now have a home of their own. In the meanwhile, Shrikant's finance company goes bankrupt, and he has to pay back his investors. A minister offers to bail out Shrikant and his company in exchange for Shrikant marrying his daughter to the minister. Shrikant agrees, but Meenakshi is shocked and overwhelmed at his hypocrisy. She meets Shrikant and his future wife at the time of her first recording, and after recording her first song, Meenakshi falls into an open manhole and is rescued by Bala. Realizing Bala's love for her, Meenakshi reciprocates his feelings. Manohar's first film project is in disarray and he is thrown out. While talking to Soumya's family, he says the name chosen as the film's title was Bad Omen and attributed the failure to its bad luck. Soumya, who chose the name of the film, translates it her being bad luck to him. For his next project, he plans to make an action film with Nandini Verma, a well-known Telugu film actor, as the heroine. Nandini is attracted to Manohar. Rumors of an affair between them spread and his lack of attention to Soumya hurts her deeply. Meanwhile, Shrikant tries to explain himself to Meenakshi, but she refuses to listen and leaves him. Bala introduces Meenakshi to Vinod, an army officer, as he does not want Meenakshi to dedicate her life to caring for him because of his disability. Meenakshi tells Vinod and his family that she is not interested in him and declares her love to Bala. Manohar's film is a commercial success, but when he visits Soumya's house in Chennai, he finds she is moving to California for her company's project. Manohar and Soumya tearfully argue and he tries to persuade Soumya to marry him, and she accepts his proposal. The film ends with Manohar marrying Soumya and Bala marrying Meenakshi.